How to send and receive money instantly with Chime Pay Anyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Chime and want a fast, easy way to send or receive money, even if the other person doesn't use Chime, then today's video is for you. We're breaking down exactly on how you can use Chime's Pay Anyone feature in this update to send money instantly, skip the fees, and get your money where it needs to go without needing Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Well, number one, what is Chime Pay Anyone? So what exactly is Pay Anyone? Chime's Pay Anyone is a peer-to-peer or P2P payment feature inside the Chime app that lets you send money instantly to anyone even if they're not a Chime member. You have no fees, no delays, no need for the other person to download Chime or sign up. You want to send up to $2,000 per calendar month. Now, it's like Venmo or Zelle, but built into your Chime account and super user-friendly. Now, how Pay Anyone works step by step. So here's exactly how it works, whether you're sending or receiving money. Number one, open up the Chime application. Log into your Chime app on iOS or Android. You then want to tap on Pay Anyone. You'll find it on the bottom navigation menu or under the Move Money section. From there, you then want to choose a contract or enter info. You can send money by phone number, email address, Chime username if they're a Chime user. If the person is not on Chime, no problem. They'll get a link to claim the payment instantly. Fourth, you want to enter the amount and optional message. Type in how much you want to send, and you can also add a note like dinner, rent, or thanks. From there, you then want to click on send and done. Tap send and the money is instantly on the way. If the recipient uses Chime, they get it instantly in their spending account. If they don't, they'll get a secure link via text or email to enter their debit card info and receive the funds within minutes. Now, how to receive money via Pay Anyone. So, if someone wants to send you money via Pay Anyone, here's what you need to do. Number one is that they send the payment using your phone number or email. So if you're a Chime user, the money lands instantly. If you're not, you'll get a message with a link to claim your money now. You then want to enter your debit card info and the funds are deposited into your account. Now note that you don't need a Chime account to receive funds, just a valid debit card. Now, what makes Pay Anyone different? Let's talk about why Pay Anyone stands out. Number one is no app downloads required. The recipient doesn't need to install Chime or create an account, just a link and a debit card. Second is it is completely free. Unlike some applications that charge fees for instant transfers, Chime Pay Anyone is always free, no matter how you would like to set it. Third is it works instantly. Chime users get money right away. Non-users can get it within minutes to their debit card. Fourth is it is safer than cash. You have no physical handoff needed. Transactions are secure, trackable, and protected. Now, I also want to talk about the limits and rules that you should go ahead and know. First is that you can send up to $2,000 per calendar month via Pay Anyone. The daily limit may vary based on your account activity. Non-Chime recipients must claim the money within 14 days or it's returned to you. Funds sent are non-reversible, so you want to double check the contact info before you hit on send. Now, what are the best use cases for Pay Anyone? Chime Pay Anyone is perfect for situations like splitting dinner or rent with family or friends, paying back a family member on their other bank account, sending money to someone who doesn't have Cash App or Venmo, a quick birthday or holiday gift, and lastly, paying for shared subscription or group purchases. Basically, anything casual or personal that doesn't require waiting or transaction fees. Now, of course, since we're talking about money, let's then navigate through some security tips. Even though Pay Anyone is convenient, here's how to use it safely. You only want to send to people that you know and trust. You want to confirm the recipient's phone or email before sending. You don't want to send payments for goods, services to strangers. This isn't designed for business use. You want to turn on notification in the app to track your transfers in real time. And you want to use biometric lock or PIN on your Chime app for extra security. Basically, what to do if something goes wrong. If you accidentally send money in the wrong person, you want to contact the recipient directly and ask them for a refund. If that doesn't work, you want to reach out to Chime support. They'll guide you, but remember, P2P payments are usually final. Now, the Chime support number is 1-844-244-6363, or you can just use the in-app chat for faster help. Now, for future of Chime payments. Chime is continuously improving their Pay Anyone feature, so you may also see scheduled payments, group requests like a shared bill split, payment history with smart budgeting insights, and a faster way to send recurring transfers, so you want to keep your application updated. Once again, to go ahead and make this work, you just want to navigate through the Chime application, head over to the iOS or Android, click on tab on Pay Anyone. Basically, you'll see it on the bottom navigation menu or under the Move Money section. And from there, you then want to choose a contact or enter the information of the person you want to send the money into, like their phone number, their email address, or the Chime username. Basically, if the person is not on Chime, they'll get a link to claim the payment instantly. From there, you just have to enter the amount and your optional message. Hit on send, and then you should be good to go. That's how easy it is. Once again, if the recipient doesn't claim this money within 14 days, the money will automatically be refunded to you. So, no need to worries. In conclusion, it is simple, free, and it's good for fast payments. No fees, no app downloads, no waiting, just instant secure money transfers to anyone that you know. If you found this guide helpful, give a video a like, subscribe, and more Chime and FinTech tips. And let me know in the comments, have you tried Pay Anyone yet? How did it go? Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.